Hey Queens and Kings, welcome back and thank you guys so much for watching as well as returning. So today I will be doing a review on all this gorgeousness bling, this totally dazzled bling, as you guys can see here, that I have all spread it out. I have worked with this company once before, sometime last year, and I'm happy to be working with this company again. Actually, this time they asked me to be a brand ambassador for their company, so I am very happy for that. You guys know, if you want to pick up some of the bling, some of the items that you guys see here, or any other items, because they have so much, and they also have it in gold. Because the first time that I purchased some items from them, well, hand-picked some items from them, was in gold, which I used towards my wedding. This time I am doing silver, which still is my favorite. So why not? Which I would leave the link down below, my code and everything that you guys can use. You might want to tell a family member, someone who's actually getting married, someone who like doing all types of DIYs, a crafty person, or someone just who love bling at the heart like myself. So with that being said, I'm gonna move on to some of the items that I do have here before I actually do the DIY for you guys. Using these items that I have here, some of the items anyways, but I will let you guys know which items I'm gonna use once the DIY start. But first off, I'm starting off with these gorgeous snowflakes. Like, oh my goodness, I always love the snowflakes. When I seen these, I had to jump on these. I think I probably picked about 20 of these things here. These are so gorgeous. Like, look how beautiful those are. Those are very gorgeous. So I'm gonna use those as well as my DIY. And then I have these little napkin rings here, which is what they are, but you can be using for other things, which I'm also gonna use some of these also in my DIY as well. But I love how gorgeous these are. Look, you can pair this up like this, like bling on top of bling. Like, why not? You can make a cute little napkin ring. So that's a choice. That's a cute idea you can do. Then they have these sliders here. These are very gorgeous as well. You can put a ribbon between these. You put whatever type of string that you decide that you want to put, a color choice, a red, a blue, and it'd be great right now for the holidays. Why not have some bling for Christmas? And then also, to go with those, I have these cute little napkin rings here. Like, these are so gorgeous. As you can see, these are very gorgeous together, which I'll be using these pretty soon in a table scape, with probably a buffet scape, put it like that, since I don't have a table yet. Then I also had picked up these, which also pairs awesome, just perfect with these. These are more of flat backs here, so therefore you can put these on anything, anywhere, wherever you desire to place these. And then I picked up these little brooches here. These are some grapes, which I just thought they were so cute and unique. And I have a cute little buffet table scape that I decided I want to do with these. So you guys have to stay tuned for that video and look out for it. Matter of fact, turn on your notification bell, so therefore you guys don't miss out on any of the other videos that I'm about to upload. And I will be uploading every Tuesday and Thursday at 10 o'clock. So moving along, I also picked up these little snowflakes here too. These are much smaller than the ones that I have here, and I just couldn't pass these by. And speaking of more snowflakes, they have these here. All of these are flat back, so you could DIY with these anywhere, wherever you desire you want to do them. Maybe if you want to deck out your bathroom towels or something for Christmas or anything like that, why not? These speak nothing but Christmas, or even for a winter wonderland wedding. These would be gorgeous for a winter wonderland wedding, or a table scape, or whatever, or even for your Christmas tree. Who knows? The ideas are endless. And then I also picked up these little cute little gorgeous little sliders here. Now you guys should know why I picked these up. These remind me so much of Nothing But Coco Chanel. Y'all listen. I love it, but these are just too cute, and I didn't know they was gonna come this side, but they so many, but they are gorgeous. They are very gorgeous. You can actually make these out of some earrings or whatever. All of these you can make out of some earrings. And moving on to the next and final item that I did pick was these gorgeous snowflakes napkin rings. So I picked up the flat backs, and I have the napkin rings, so it was like impossible to not get the napkin rings along with the flat backs. So like I said, Queens and Kings, I do have a affiliated code that goes along with me being this brand ambassador, which I'm happy to be a part of the club. But yeah, so I will link that down below. But now let's move on to the gorgeous DIY that I'm going to make with these items. Okay, queens and kings, so here are the items that we're gonna need to make these gorgeous Glam Snowflakes candle holders. So starting off first, we will need actually 3 of these because I'm gonna make 3, which are these are Dollar Tree ornaments, which is a snowflake. Then these bling snowflakes that's all came from Totally Dazzled. So I'm gonna be using 2 of the big ones, 2 of these napkin rings here, 4 of these gorgeous little snowflakes, and I'm gonna be using 6 of the small ones and 2 of these flatbacks here. But that's what you would need for each candle holder, as well as some glue sticks, and I'm using the Gorilla glue sticks, and these little jewels bling that I got from Hobby Lobby, as well as this super glue fix all adhesive came from the Dollar Tree, a pair of scissors, as well as my hot glue gun. So let's get started. So first thing first is I'm gonna basically take these little napkin rings here, and I'm just gonna cut these apart. We'll cut one end apart from the other end. And I'm gonna glue this around. I'm gonna stretch it a little bit, but not too much, so it can reach, you know, so therefore I don't have to use no more than 2. So as you can see, it did not reach all the way around, but that is okay because we're gonna use something to cover that up. One of the blings from Totally Dazzled to cover it up, which I'm gonna use this little flat back here. So far that's how that looks. Just that alone is gorgeous. So now I'm just gonna start randomly placing all my little snowflakes all around in some type of pattern because I have an equal amount of number of them. So yeah. I'm going to just start here and go random placing some of the jewels here as well, and I'm going to place the largest ones just to balance out some of the space that's in between. And for those, I'm just going to use hot glue. So far this is what we have. Okay, queens and kings, so here are the finished candle holders. Aren't they gorgeous? Now look how gorgeous these are. Now I want to show you guys different options. Here in the middle, I have sprayed some fake snow inside it so it could give that more cloudy snowflake, just winter look that I was going for. But here's the option also that without the faux snow inside the glasses. So I'm just giving you guys two different looks. And what I did is all I did was just place them on top of the snowflake just to give it a cute base. They don't have to be permanent, but this is how they are. And I also use Dollar Tree candles for the inside. It's gorgeous, right? So I would like to say a big thanks to Totally Dazzled for sending me these gorgeous bling, and I hope you all enjoyed the creation that I actually did with them. And queens and kings, don't forget about the affiliated link down below. So I hope you queens and kings enjoy these gorgeous snowflake candle holders. If you all did, please go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. Comment down below. Also share with your family and friends and loved ones. Subscribe to the castle if you're new. We would love you to be a part of it. Also share, please share, so therefore others can be able to see the gorgeous snowflakes candle holders, and also they may want to use it, the idea for themselves. So this is a gorgeous entryway table idea, as well as a centerpiece. Like I said before, you can use these for your weddings, a wedding or whatever you decide that you would like to use them for. But the ideas are endless. You can also flip the candles over upside down and place a bigger candle on top of it. The choice is yours. Queens and kings, this will end this video. Always do what you're afraid to do, and you guys know that's in a positive way. I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye.